Since Repair Clinic encourages you to perform this procedure safely, a warning icon will appear when you should use caution. Before you install the maintenance kit components in your leaf blower, make sure the engine has cooled and the on-off switch is in the off position. We recommend performing this procedure with little or no fuel in the tank. Unthread the wing nuts counterclockwise to detach the air filter cover. You can now remove the old filter. Install the new air filter by positioning it in the filter base. Then realign the cover and thread the wing nuts to secure. Next, unthread the fuel tank cap and pull the retainer free of the tank. You can use a wire with a hooked end to pull the fuel filter out. Slide the retaining spring away from the filter, then pull the old filter off of the fuel line. Install the new fuel filter by attaching the fuel line, then slide the retaining spring toward the filter to secure. Push the new filter into the tank. Reinsert the fuel cap retainer into the tank, then thread on the cap. Next, remove the wire and boot from the spark plug. Use a 3/4 inch socket or a spark plug wrench to unthread the old plug. Before you install the new spark plug, confirm the spark gap matches manufacturer's specifications. Thread the new plug into the cylinder. Be careful not to damage the plug by over-tightening. Attach the wire and boot to the new spark plug, refill the fuel tank if necessary, and your leaf blower should be ready for use.